name is Christine. The name of my company is OnePlus.
All right, what do you have to show us?
I'm here to showcase an incredible new smartphone, the OnePlus 10 Pro. This flagship represents the pinnacle of OnePlus technology. Let's start with the new generation triple camera setup based on the second generation Hasselblad camera for mobile. It delivers industry-leading color science and image performance. 1 billion plus. And no, that's not just the number in your bank accounts. Actually, it's how many colors can be captured using the OnePlus 10 Pro for more natural and richer colors. We call it OnePlus Billion Color Solution.
Yeah, you'll need to do better.
With 150-degree ultra-wide, it's the widest ultra-wide camera ever on any OnePlus device. It's up to 4 times wider than ultra-wide smartphone cameras. There's even a fisheye mode. From places to faces and even pets, capture every moment. The second generation Hasselblad Pro mode captures images in up to 12-bit RAW, with richer detail, greater dynamic range, with reduced noise, complete with Hasselblad Natural Color Solution for mobile. Welcome to the debut of Movie Mode. It's designed to edit incredible-looking video content with easy control over ISO, shutter speed, and white balance before and during filming. Color grading is also easier with the log format. Flagship deserves only the best. That's why it's powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, delivering unprecedented power with less heat and lower power consumption.
Wiped you out. I thought you said this phone was good for gaming.
David is using the all-new HyperBoost gaming engine to accelerate the GPU and CPU. The GPA frame stabilizer also ensures ultra-stable and smooth frame rates for up to 4 hours of intense FPS gaming. The result? Next-level gaming. HyperBoost gaming engine also features OSync technology to reduce imaging delays for ultra-responsive gameplay.
With great power comes great heat.
That's why our advanced 5-layer 3D passive cooling system comes with an extra-large vapor chamber.
Do you have any other partnerships?
OnePlus has been working with major brand partners, including Qualcomm, Amazon, and Google. We're the official 2022 smartphone for the International Photography Awards.
Not bad.
Prove the display is worthy of a flagship product.
Let's start with the stunning 6.7-inch QHD+ 120Hz fluid AMOLED display. The refresh rate dynamically scales from 1 Hz to 120 Hz with second-generation LTPO calibration for silky smooth visuals. During the past 15 minutes, the battery has been charging with SuperVoke technology. We paired our fastest ever charging solution with our largest ever battery, 5,000 milliamp hours, in a OnePlus flagship. 2 colorways are available, Volcanic Black and Emerald Forest. For our flagship, we used the most advanced fingerprint-resistant materials to complement a unique and reimagined design language. Actually, Oxygen retains the OnePlus fast and smooth DNA. Everything from the burdenless design to the enhanced privacy and security is unique to Oxygen OS.
You guys clearly got a stellar product with OnePlus 10 Pro.
We're pricing it as follows.